Let me guess, you're posting every day, your work looks amazing, but somehow the DMs you're getting are all asking what's your best price instead of booking your premium services. Trust me, I've been there. 3 years ago, I was that person, posting 3, even sometimes 4 times a day, thinking more content means more clients. My Instagram feed looked decent, but I was still attracting people who wanted discounts, deals, and honestly, they were just draining my energy. But here's what's crazy. Today, my calendar stays consistently booked with premium clients who found me through Instagram alone. What did I do differently? I completely changed how I was showing up on the platform. And I'm not talking about buying followers, using sketchy growth hacks, or spending thousands on ads. What I discovered was a simple shift in how you position your content that literally transforms the type of clients you're attracting. And in this video, I'm gonna show you exactly how to fix your Instagram strategy to attract high-paying clients who value your work. No low ballers, just real premium clients who are ready to invest in quality. Quick reality check though, this isn't just about some magic hashtag strategy or posting at the perfect time of day. What I'm about to share with you is the exact framework I use to keep my calendars filled with premium clients month after month, and it's the same system I've used to help hundreds of other service providers transform their Instagram from a black hole into a client attraction machine. So if you're tired of watching potential clients ghost you after asking about your prices, stick around. You'll know exactly what to change in your Instagram strategy to start attracting the kind of clients who appreciate and are willing to pay for premium services. Let me tell you something I learned the hard way. And this is especially true because in the barbering industry, your Instagram isn't just a portfolio of haircuts. It's literally the storefront of your brand in 2025. Think about it. When someone's looking for a new barber, what's the first thing they do? They hop on Instagram, and in those first 3 seconds of hitting your profile, they're making a decision in their head about whether or not you're worth a premium service. I've seen barbers do incredible work, and I mean absolutely unbelievable haircuts, but their Instagram aesthetic just doesn't do their work justice. Dark photos, random personal posts mixed in, no real thought behind the presentation. Here's what most barbers don't realize. High-paying clients aren't just buying your technical skills, they're buying into your brand. They want to feel like they're walking into a premium experience when they book with you. I had a client recently, let's just call him Mike, amazing barber, probably one of the best technically skilled barbers in the city, but his Instagram was all over the place. Random photos, inconsistent lighting, mixed professional cuts with pictures of his lunch. Now, what happened when he fixed just his branding? His DMs went from low ballers to premium clients over time. And the truth is, in our industry, your Instagram branding is just as important as your cutting skills. It's the difference between charging $25 a cut and having clients happily pay $75 to $100 or even more. But here's the thing, and this is crucial. Branding isn't about being fancy or pretentious. It's about the intention behind every single thing you post. It's about creating an experience that matches the premium services you provide. Now that you understand how premium clients think, let me show you exactly how to position your content to attract them. First up, let's talk about what's probably killing your premium positioning right now. Number 1, the desperate discount signals. Every time you post about a special offer, a discount, or try to compete on price, you're literally training your audience to wait for deals. Think about luxury brands for a second. When's the last time you saw a Rolex running for a 2-for-1 special? Exactly. Number 2, the mixed message portfolio. This is when your feed is jumping between professional shots to random personal posts and maybe some motivational quotes you found online. High-paying clients see and immediately think amateur. Number 3, the quantity over quality trap. Posting 2 mediocre photos a day instead of 1 incredible piece of content that showcases your expertise. Remember, premium clients aren't following you just for entertainment. They're following you to convince themselves you're worth premium prices. But here's how we fix all of this. Instead of randomly posting, you need what I call a premium content hierarchy. It looks like this. Your hero content. These are your absolute best transformations. The ones that show your technical skills and artistic eye. These need to be shot right and edited consistently and presented professionally. Your authority content. This is where you share your expertise, your process, and what makes your services premium. Think behind the scenes of your precision cutting techniques or explaining why you approach each cut differently. And your brand reinforcement content. This is what ties it all together. The small details that show you understand premium services. Your clean workspace, your professional setup, the overall experience. The key here isn't just doing one of these, it's having all three working together. Because when a potential premium client lands on your page, they need to see a consistent story that says this person is worth top dollar. Let me show you exactly how to put all of these into practice. And I'm not just gonna give you theory, I'm gonna give you a step-by-step blueprint that you can start using today. Pull up your Instagram right now and let's look at your last 15 posts. Ask yourself this question: would a premium client look at this and think high-end service? And be honest with yourself, because if you're not sure, then they're not sure either. How many of those posts are actually showcasing your best work? And I don't mean just good cuts, I mean the whole presentation, the lighting, the angles, the way you're telling the story of the transformation. Here's where most people mess up. They try to change everything at once. Don't do that. Instead, here's your week by week implementation plan. Week 1, clean up your feed. And I mean like really clean it up. Archive everything that doesn't align with premium positioning. Yes, even if it means your feed looks a little empty at first. Better to have 6 premium posts than 60 mediocre ones. Week 2, start implementing what I call 3-point visual system. Every transformation post needs to hit these 3 points: clean, consistent lighting, multiple angles of your work, professional presentation. No more quick snapshots in bad lighting. No more rushed after photos. Take your time and do it right. Week 3, this is when we upgrade your caption game. Premium clients aren't just buying a haircut, they're buying an experience. Your captions need to reflect that. Talk about your process, your attention to detail, why you choose certain techniques for that specific client. Here's a quick caption formula that works every single time. Number 1, hook with the transformation. Number 2, explain your unique approach. Number 3, add value by sharing your expertise. And number 4, end with a clear call to action. Week 4, this is where it all comes together. Now you're gonna start posting with intention. Every single post needs to serve a purpose in your premium positioning. The key here is consistency, not just in how often you post, but in maintaining these premium standards with everything you put out. Now, let me be real with you for a second. Everything I've shared today isn't just theory. This is the exact same framework that has helped hundreds of barbers completely transform their client base. But here's the thing, knowing this information is just not enough. You've got to actually implement it. Imagine opening your DMs tomorrow and instead of seeing what's your best price, seeing a message like, I love your work, when's your next availability? That's the power of positioning yourself correctly on Instagram. But you've got to start now, because every day you're showing up with the wrong positioning is another day you're attracting the wrong clients. It's a lot harder to raise your prices later if you've built an audience of bargain hunters. Here's what I want you to do first, right after this video. First, go do that premium audit we just talked about. Be honest with yourself about what needs to change. Then start implementing 3-point visual system with every single post. And finally, commit to maintaining these premium standards for at least 30 days. That's when you'll really start seeing the shift in the type of clients reaching out. And if you found this video valuable, make sure you're following me for more advanced strategies on how to build a premium barbering brand, and drop a comment below with your biggest takeaway from this video. And let me know what specific challenges you guys are facing when it comes to attracting premium clients. I read every single one of your comments and I'm here to help. Thank you guys for watching, and peace.